Up for sale 1970 Pontiac Grand Prix. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please have a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 70 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's a factory green on green car, bucket seats and console. 400, turbo 400 trans, steering, power front disc brakes. I have the build sheet. And non-documented, however, it kind of makes sense. 44,000 original miles. 10-year previous ownership, which was pride of ownership, to say the least. And again, you'll see that as I go around it and talk about the car. But yeah, of course, and as always, go around it, put on anything I see, fire it up, drive it, get in for the driving. And as always, start here in the front. But before I do, I gotta say, look what I found. Dual white line radial tires with the factory hubcaps. I mean, I know that I have a set of rallies, but what a look. Really, what a look for this car. It's even got the dual white line spare in the trunk. Love that. Focusing here on the front now. Chrome. Just focusing on the chrome right now. So shiny. No pitting. In talking with the owner, he says, you know, in the 10 years he owned it, he never had to clean it once. Just a light spray detail. He said that's about it. And again, you can see that as I go around it. All the bezels around the lights have been replaced. It's an all original metal car. All original metal underneath the car. Look at that fitment there. You do see two little touch-ups that have been done, or three. But then again, you come over here. Such nice fitment there. And just look at the shine. Look at the nice reflection that you see on the building over there. Now it is the original green paint, and then they put a little bit of pearl in there, and it makes it pop. It really does. It's such an... I've seen the original green online. I looked at some pictures. It's a little pukey. So this is nice. It's a little custom flare. Oh, I can't. I'll never get over that. Glass is mint. All the trim and whatnot like that is mint. I love the handles. I've never had a, 69 to 72 Grand Prix. And if I understand correctly, not a vinyl top car to begin with. A lot of them I see came with vinyl tops, so that's cool. So you know what that means. It never rusted around here. It didn't bubble and then they Bondo it. No, this was as nice as it is. And you can see on that line how nice it was, as well as that line there. But anyway, let's go back to the front of the car. I want to pop the hood open. Here you go, the original 400. And just look how nice and clean this compartment is. All the black. You got the sticker in there. You can see the nice stamping on the inner fender well there as well. Again, it's original sheet metal, so both fenders are original. How many times am I going to say metal wrong today? All the quarters are original. The trunk below the carpet that's in there even has the original spatter paint. But I'll show you that when I get there. Smooth as silk. I drove it back over an hour and a half. It speeds up to 75 miles an hour. Me personally drove it back. Steering, power brakes, front disc, like I said. What a dream. I mean, turnkey, smooth as silk, tight. I have no complaints. I mean, getting this car, I could have kept driving it to California. You got that trim tag over there. I took a picture of that. The unmolested kind of firewall. You got the right air cleaner on there. And again, just a big fan of the way this looks. Even with the hood installation and whatnot. So we'll go down the driver's side of the car. Look how nice this is here. You got the wheel well moldings. Those look great. And then again, just this body is straight. Here. This fitment is all nice. No chips on that edge, no touch-ups. That lower rocker panel looks super nice as well. And again, anything I point out, or anything I see, I will point out. You got your VIN. The dash pad, which I'll show you on the inside, is stunning. The interior is stunning, but I haven't even gotten there yet. Nice finish here around the, the windshield trim. And again in here, if you look in there, beautiful. No bubbling, no cracking, no glue. This is how you want to see it. before I get there. The original sticker here. Look at that hem, that's mint. You go all the way up, this whole section is fantastic. This door panel, this entire section is like brand new. And I'm almost positive that's original. Superb. The carpet's brand new. I got floor mats that are gonna go back in as soon as I'm done so the carpet doesn't get dirty because that's clean as a whistle. And then here's your seats. I wish you could sit here and feel this with me because it's like butter. It is so soft. Let me back out here. Both seats, even the back seat, they look like brand new. Console's mint. You got the original steering wheel in it as well. 43,694 for the miles. Again, I watched it roll as I was driving, so I know that works. Just look at that. The gentleman actually had one of those custom-built carpets. That's what I call them. That goes over there, and it normally, and almost always, means the dash is cracked. But this was just the guy making sure that nothing ever happened. And again, you could tell by looking at it, that's what happened. Nothing did. Console super nice. I like what they did. They left the original radio. They put one tastefully down there so they didn't cut anything up. All the wood grain is super nice. You got the dice hanging down. And again, look at the visors here. How nice those are. The visors are original. The headliner's original. The seat belts that are clipped up there, those are original as well. And then you look at the whole headliner, taking it back and looking with the dome light. It's like brand new. Let me just... I mean, really, look at that. Sail panels. Look at the seat backs. I mean, this whole section's mint. I mean, and look how clean it is in there. You know, no bubbles down here. Again, original quarter. I would say, as far as I'm familiar with these cars, which is not overly too much, this looks rather unmolested. No big speakers thrown in there. Your trunk lid fitment is exactly how you want to see it. Even the piece of trim on both sides lines up exactly how you want, as well as up there. And then I'll show you this seam here, just as nice as the one I pointed out. Then going in on the back bumper, just as shiny as the front. Just as shiny. When you get up on it, you see a little bit of that in some spots. You know, like I would say like the top area, but you don't really see it where I'm at anymore. That's like when you're on it, but just the cleanliness and the condition, as well as that lower panel there, that's super nice. The exhaust sounds nice. The whole underneath has been detailed too. I'll have pictures of it later on the lift, and I'll show you. The only blemish I've seen, other than those couple ones, for whatever reason, a little bubble in the corner. It's bound to happen. Nothing there, and I don't see anything else low, which is always a good sign. So, back on a little bit here. Newer weather stripping. There's the original spare. Or not original spare, but original style. This is a bias plant with the dual white line. That's why I love the radials. You got the jack down there. I actually kept this to really just show you the dash carpet with Grand Prix on there. So, I mean, if you want it, you know, put it on. The Pontiac floor mats for the driver and passenger side. I got this, so I, of course, passing it on. 47, so it was Verdero green. And then you go over here. Here's the build sheet. Murray Pontiac, New Bloomfield, Pennsylvania. I will have a picture of this on the ad, of course. all the options as well. And I'm noticing here 47, 47, and I don't, as far as my understanding, and even looking at the trim tag, I don't see any kind of something for a vinyl top, which again is interesting. So, and then you see it there, the original spatter paint, and this carpet's glued down, but I peeled up this area, and you can see all the original spatter paint, which is just a low mile sign. You see it over there as well. And it's got the cardboard inserts in here still. And then you peel those back carefully, and you can see all the original spatter paint on the quarters. I'm really taking my time on this car. Can you get in there and see that? Yeah, you can. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to clean this area. This is nice. There's some little dirt splatter, but no bubbles once again. Little tiny mark right there. But again, mint in there, no bubbles, no cracking, no glue, no caulk. I've seen caulk in there before. I can't even begin to describe what my thoughts were. But that's how you want to see it. This fitment here and there is exactly how you want to see it as well. The lower rocker panel. I feel like I'm just repeating myself at this point, but you get the idea. Mint. Again, same thing for this section. Now that look at the interior. Really like the way the console is into the dash over there. Nice design. Which is just, of course, these in general, not just specifically this car. Reminds me of the 69 Galaxies. Yeah, 69 Galaxies have an interesting dash and console. So, that is it. And you know what? I'm going to take the time and just start it right now, since I'm here. And let you hear it run quickly. Then I will go hunt my guy down and we'll drive it around the block. Gas gauge works. One security pump just in case. There you go. I'll kick it down. Yeah, there we go. Got a nice sound. Thank you for watching. We are going to take her for a ride.
God, this thing drives nice.
Oh, yeah, you didn't drive it.
No,
I drove it back. Yeah. Welcome to 1970. You decided to be different and you ordered green on green.
This is definitely this guy's pride and joy, man.
That's funny I said that and you didn't
really?
Yeah, you didn't even know that.
It's just everything's like meticulously gone over.
Yeah.
There's like, you can't have one complaint about the car.
Yeah. I had to think about it. I was like, do I have any complaints? No.
Absolutely everything works.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's supposed to.
I don't know what else to say. I talked for nonstop in the video before, so I'm out
Like
of words.
a brand new car.
I mean, I don't think it's a brand new car. 1970.
1970 brand new.
Yeah, that's. I'll put it that way. Yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah, if you bought this car, this is exactly how it would be.
Yeah.
Except, man, it's fuzzy dice.
I just thought it went with the car. I was like, 90% of the time I take them out. When I saw this, I was like, okay.
They're even brand new.
I know. The reverse lights work too. That's how you know.
And that 400 engine, dude, he's got all the low end torque you ever gonna need.
Yeah. Yeah. You can just pull it over here. We'll walk over and do the next one. Yeah.
Front or the back?
We're going to put it on the lift. So leave it in front. Yeah. Thank you.